Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how we can edit and modify properties of different layers. As you can see over here, I have already added two layers. One is the continent layer and the other is the ocean layer. So I'm going to add a third layer and make some changes to the properties of that layer. Let's add the third layer. I have already shown you that how we can add data in the previous video, so if you want to know that how we did that, you can watch that video. I'm going to add this file here, and now the third layer has been added. Let's zoom it. I have Pakistan map data, so I have imported the Pakistan map. So you can see over here the different color with the rest of the other. You can see the Pakistan map over here. Let's now study the attribute table of this map. I'm gonna click on this layer, Pakistan provinces, and right click and open the attribute table. So this is the attribute table for this layer, for this particular layer. And you can see the attribute table, it's showing shape, name, province, some admin, so you can see the provinces of the country. And let's, now that we have known the attribute table, I'm going to cancel this and again go to the same layer, right click on it and go to the properties. Okay, now on the properties dialog box you can see different menus like general, source, selection, display, symbology, definition, query, labels, join related time, and HTML pop-up. We will be dealing with all these properties one by one, but in this video I'm just going to show you symbology and labels. So in general you can get the general information of that layer, and let's go to symbology. Yes, we want to change this property, so I will just simply click on symbology, and in symbology on your left you can see different options, features, categories, quantities, charts, multiple attributes. I will simply click on this option, categories, and you can see draw categories using unique values of one field. So in value field there's an option name 0. Previously you have seen in the attribute table name 0. So let's click on name 0 and click on add all values. So yes, so basically name 0 presents or represents this value, Pakistan. But if I choose some other value field like province and adds its values, you can see different provinces name. And let's display this. I've already selected this. Let's apply colors. So yes, I have clicked on simply apply, and the different colors of these value field options has been displayed over here. So let's try to change. For example, I have over here Punjab, and I'm going to change the color of Punjab. I'm going to double click on this, and this dialog box will open, symbol selector. So from symbol selector you have different options. You can choose these styles for the layer, or you can change the color. You can also change the outline width and outline color. You can also click on this edit symbol. Let's click on this, and you can even change the symbol shape. So we're just going to use the solid colors. We don't need another shape. Or from over here, from the style, we can also change the style. Let's try changing the style. For example, I'm going to change to this, and I'm gonna click on over OK and then just apply. Okay, so the symbol has been changed. Let's try to change its color again. I'm gonna double click on it and select this and apply. So now this has been changed to blue. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try to modify its text and add some labels to it. So we have already studied the attribute tables and we know that what would be the label of this value field, this province value field. So I'm gonna simply click on over here, labels. Okay, so on the label dialog box, I have to, first of all, I have to enable this option, label features in this layer. Otherwise, our labels won't be displayed. So from label field, I will select this province and I can make some changes to the text. I can increase the font size, choose a different font. For example, over here I'm choosing the Arial black font and bold it, or maybe change its color. Let's select red and let's apply. Let's see what happens. So yes, you can see that labels has been displayed on our layer. Similarly, you can make some changes to it. Some other changes to it, you can change its font size, font color, and style according to your own preference. Let's apply again. And yes, this is how our labels have been shown over here. Let's try to its display. We can also change the transparency of our layer. Let's reduce its transparency. Over here you can see it's 0%. I'm going to reduce it up to 75% and click on apply. Okay, so you can see over here that our transparency has been changed. So in this way you can edit or modify your layer in different ways. Left you can see the layer elements of this particular layer. You can also change, you can double click on it and make changes to the layer like this. You can add labels to it, change its symbology, or change its transparency from the display option over here. I have already shown you. So this is how you can edit and modify different layers in ArcGIS. Suppose you have two layers on a map representing railroads and highways. You can group these layers together and name the resulting layer as transportation networks. Over here we have just maps of the countries and I have a map of Pakistan and I have made changes to just this layer. That's it, and I hope you have learned something. If you have any problem you can simply comment down below, and thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.